Wake County School Board ends COVID testing in school.
Instead, students will be given free testing kits. WRAL's Julian Grace joins us live now, and I understand masking also came up in tonight's school board meeting. Julian.
Lena, that is correct. Masking is a recommendation at this point. But let's go back to the testing kits. Students can receive free testing kits, but they will no longer be able to be tested inside the school building here. And that also goes for staff.
Tonight, we got a new update. No more COVID testing at Wake County schools. And that comes as the majority of students are set to return to the classroom on August 29th.
So you believe this is a community issue?
I completely believe this is a community issue. And, there's a reason why it's called public health, because it's the health of the public.
Cases in Wake County have been increasing as the Omicron subvariant BA.5, which is more contagious, continues to lead the spike. Funding for testing was only intended for last school year through federal funding. Now that those monies are expected to dry up, the school testing will go away.
Here's one other layer that could have helped, and it could have helped inform families, because asymptomatic children are real. Asymptomatic staff are real.
The district will provide free test kits and will continue to recommend that students mask up. Currently, Wake Schools says that only 5% of students were participating in pool testing.
It's closing the barn door after the horse ran out. This is not a really acceptable method. I'm glad there's an opportunity, but it's certainly not. It's not proactive. It's reactive.
Here is something else we found out tonight. COVID isolation rooms inside the building will go away. We're told that will create more space for students and staff. Also, this was voted tonight, Lena. There will be no school on Election Day for Wake County schools.
Julian Grace reporting live outside Wake County School Board headquarters in Cary. Thank you.